Hello student, welcome to my channel Learn More Maths by Vara Kumar. Today we are going to solve a problem from the chapter Progressions exercise 6.3. So student, ninth problem, see here what he is asking to find us. Find the sum of the first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So he is asking to find the sum of the first 40 positive integers but which are divisible by 6. So see student, how can we solve? Student, if you are watching first time my channel, subscribe to my channel and follow my channel. I am uploading all chapters, each and every video from each exercise. So if you understand this, like and share to your friends. See student, just positive integers are, first we have to write positive integers. Just this is the analyzation student. What are the positive integers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and so on. So these are the positive integers. But first to 40 positive integers divisible by 6. So among these positive integers we have to select the integers which are divisible by 6. So those are 6 and 12 and 18. So this is the first one, this is the second one and the third one. So can you say student what is the 40th one? So here first one is 6 into 1, second one is 6 into 2, third one is 6 into 3. In the same way 40th one is 6 into 40, that is 240 student. Is it clear student? So this is the first one. This is the first positive integer which is divisible by 6. This is the second positive integer which is divisible by 6. This is the third positive integer which is divisible by 6. In the same way, this is the 40th positive integer which is divisible by 6. That is 6 into 40, 240. So now we have to write a list of first 40 positive integers divisible by 6. The first 40 positive integers divisible by 6 or divisible by 6 or. So we have to write this first 40 positive. What are the student? 6, 12, 18 and so on. So last 40th one is 240. So now we have to check whether it forms an AP or not by finding the common difference of the successive terms. So see student, here D is equal to A2 minus A1, that is 12 minus 6 which is equal to 6 student. In the same way D is equal to A3 minus A2, that is 18 minus 6 which is also 6 student. Therefore it forms an AP. It forms an AP. It forms an arithmetic progression. So here A is equal to 6 comma the last term or the nth term, it is 240 student. So this is the first term, A is equal to 6 and the last term or the nth term is 240. So and common difference D is equal to, and the common difference D is equal to how much student? 6. So we have the formula. So Sn is equal to, so if we know the first and last term, we have to use the second formula student. Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An, or sometimes we can say Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus L. So we have to use the second formula. What is the first formula? If we don't know the last term, we have to use the first formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into 2A plus n minus 1 into D. So but here we have first and the last terms, we have to use the second formula. Sn is equal to n by 2 into, Sn is equal to n by 2 into A plus An student. A plus An. So here we have all the values where n is equal to 40 student, where n is equal to how much here? 40. Since there are 40 terms here, how many terms? First, second, third, in the same way this is the 40th one. So this n is equal to 40. So therefore S40 is equal to n by 2 student, that is 40 divided by 2 into a plus an. We have both the terms. A is equal to 6, an is equal to 240. So a is equal to 6, an is equal to 240 student. Just we have to substitute in the formula. So here 2 1s and 2 20s are 40. So we get 20 into 6 plus 240, it is 246. So just we have to multiply by 20 student. 2 6 are 12 and 1, 2 4s are 8 plus 1 9, 2 2s are 4 and 0. So we get to 4920. So therefore the sum of the first 40 positive integer divisible by 6 is equal to 4920. Therefore we have to write the conclusion, student. Here I am writing the conclusion. Therefore the sum of the first 40 positive integers which are divisible by 6 is equal to how much, student? 4920. So very easy, student. These type of problems are very important in the examination point. So every time is asking for 4 marks, student. You have to concentrate here. Watching the video, once you have to practice 2-3 times, you can get perfect and you can do your own. So that's all today's class, student.